Sora. A year ago, that single word was supposed to end Hollywood. Studios held emergency meetings, creators filmed eulogies for the film industry, and most people I know still assume OpenAI owns this entire category. Here is what actually happened. Sora 2 launched in late 2025 inside a TikTok-style social app that rocketed straight to #1 on the App Store, and the whole operation reportedly burned about $1 million a day in compute. That kind of math has the lifespan of a snowman in Phoenix. On March 24, 2026, OpenAI announced it was pulling the plug. The app and website went dark on April 26th. The API follows on September 24th, and reports even claim that Disney, which had committed $1 billion to a partnership, learned about the shutdown less than an hour before the public post. Sora became the Concorde of AI video, a real engineering marvel that was simply too expensive to keep in the air. If any part of your workflow still touches it, migrate this summer instead of waiting for fall. OpenAI did end some careers in Hollywood after all, just mostly inside its own video department. The throne is not empty either, because the tool that quietly took the crown is one most Americans have never opened. So today, I am walking you through every AI video generator that actually matters in 2026. What each one does best, and exactly which one deserves your money for the job in front of you. Before the list, give me 30 seconds on how these tools work, because it quietly explains every ranking you are about to hear. Nearly every modern generator is a diffusion model. It starts with a screen of pure static and cleans it up in steps until the noise turns into the scene you described. Picture a Polaroid developing out of gray fog, except no camera ever saw the moment and the photo is being guessed entirely from your caption. You will also hear two modes mentioned constantly. Text to video invents a clip from a written description alone, while image to video animates a picture you hand it, which buys you far more control over that first frame. Now comes the part most people miss. Picture and sound were historically two separate systems, so your gorgeous clip arrived silent, like a beautiful stranger who refuses to speak. When a company advertises native audio, it means sound and image come from one model in a single pass, and you will hear that phrase repeatedly today. Finally, the famous glitches, the melting hands, and the casual physics crimes happen because these models learned what videos look like rather than how bodies and objects work. A diffusion model has studied more hands than every palm reader in history, and it still will not commit to 5 fingers. As we go, watch 3 numbers: clip length, resolution, and whether the audio is native. VO. VO is Google's generator, currently at version 3.1, and it has become my default recommendation for one big reason. It handles picture and sound together, so dialogue, sound effects, and background ambience come out already synced in one pass at up to 4K resolution in landscape or vertical. Most rivals operate like a food truck that cooks your meal and then points you across the street for the drink, while VO hands the entire order through one window. Base clips run 8 seconds, which sounds tiny, but you can chain extensions and stretch a single scene past 2 minutes. The clips land inside Flow, Google's AI filmmaking workspace, so writing, generating, and stitching all happen under one roof. Access is friendly as well. It ships inside Google's $20 a month AI Pro plan, and API pricing starts around 5 cents per second on the cheapest tier, though that bargain tier skips the native audio. The catch appears at the top end, where the full quality tier can reach 40 cents a second, and that invoice grows faster than a hospital bill. I used to worry about Google's famous habit of killing beloved products, but after this spring, that joke legally belongs to OpenAI. Runway. Runway is the film school of this list. While everyone else chased prettier pixels, this New York company spent years building controls, and its Gen-4.5 model, released in December 2025, grabbed the top spot on the Artificial Analysis Leaderboard with an ELO score of 1,247, edging out both VO and Sora 2 Pro at the time. The signature tool is Motion Brush, which lets you paint directly onto a frame and tell specific objects exactly how to move, while keyframes and reference images keep a character's face consistent from shot to shot. Everything else here is a point-and-shoot camera, and Runway is full manual mode with every dial exposed. I ran the same prompt through all of these tools, and Runway was the only one that let me fix a bad result instead of re-rolling and praying. For storyboards, brand work, or any project where the same character appears twice, that level of control stops being a luxury. Plans start at $12 a month, which sounds cheap until you meet the credit system, because credits evaporate the moment you start experimenting. Expect your first week to produce gorgeous 5-second clips of absolutely nothing usable. That week is a rite of passage, and every one of us has completed it. I need one quick pause before the back half. Which of these tools have you already tried, and which one burned you? Drop it in the comments because I read every single one while procrastinating on scripts. And if this rundown saves you from buying 3 subscriptions just to find one keeper, the like button remains the cheapest thank you ever invented. Kling AI. Kling comes from Kuaishou, TikTok's biggest rival inside China. And right now, it is the workhorse of the entire field. The 3.0 generation produces clips from 3 to 15 seconds with lip-synced dialogue in 5 languages. And the Omni version chains multiple shots into a storyboard that shares one audio timeline. So a whole scene cuts together like somebody planned it. On the blind vote arenas, where thousands of people compare clips without knowing which model made them, Kling currently sits at the very top of the text-to-video charts. Pricing lands near $0.10 per second with audio included on the turbo tier that shipped this June. Working in the storyboard mode feels like ordering the full dinner at once instead of dish by dish, and the kitchen keeps every course consistent. If you run a faceless channel or push daily short-form content, that combination of speed, sound, and price is exactly what volume production wants. The main ceiling is resolution because output tops out at 1080p, so your big hero shot will not arrive in 4K. The model also speaks 5 languages, which is 5 more than I manage before coffee. HeyGen. HeyGen belongs to a different category entirely because it does not generate scenes, it generates people. The product builds AI presenters, and the current Avatar 4 models handle lip sync, micro expressions, and natural body movement well enough for real professional work. The headline trick is translation. You can upload actual footage of yourself and re-release it in more than 175 languages with your mouth movements matched to every single one. Think of it as a rental news anchor who works nights, weekends, and every market on Earth without one complaint. Plans start free with 3 videos a month, and the creator tier runs $29, which makes it the obvious pick for marketing teams, training content, and faceless channels that still want a face on screen. Teams that need 4K output and custom avatars can climb to the business tier at $149. The limitation is emotional range because these avatars live permanently in polished corporate mode. Ask one to portray grief and you receive a man who looks mildly disappointed in a spreadsheet. Luma. Luma's dream machine runs on a model called Ray 3, and this is the thoughtful one. Ray 3 arrived as the first self-described reasoning video model, meaning it drafts a clip, critiques its own frames, and revises the weak parts before showing you a final render, the way a careful writer reads a draft aloud before hitting send. It was also the first model to output true 16-bit HDR, which professional colorists care about deeply and the rest of us politely pretend to understand. A draft mode generates rough versions about 20 times faster, so you can iterate on ideas cheaply, and registered users receive free credits just for signing up. In practice, that reasoning layer means fewer broken frames on the first try, which protects both your patience and your credit balance. The trade-off is control, since Luma offers fewer fine-grained dials than Runway and leans accessible rather than professional. Still, a video model that thinks before it renders is already ahead of half the internet. Seedance. Seedance comes from ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, which means it grew up inside the biggest video library on Earth. The 2.0 model released this February produces roughly 15 seconds of video with native audio, multi-shot storytelling, and characters that stay consistent across cuts. And it holds a top 3 seat on the blind vote arenas right behind Kling. The real party trick is input flexibility, because a single request accepts up to 9 images, 3 video clips, and 3 audio files, and the model folds every one of them into the same scene. It works like a police sketch artist who studies your photos, voice memos, and home videos before drawing the final picture. Pricing lands near 14 cents per second, which is fair rather than cheap. The catch is churn, since ByteDance already announced Seedance 2.5 with native 30-second clips arriving in early July, so today's homework expires next month. Of course, the TikTok company caps its clips near 15 seconds because anything longer might bore its own algorithm. Hailuo. Hailuo comes from MiniMax, a Chinese lab that keeps embarrassing much larger names like a garage band outplaying stadium acts on borrowed equipment. Its 2.3 model, released last October, ranks first for physics simulation on World Model Bench, a benchmark that measures whether objects on screen move like they carry real weight. Thrown balls arc correctly, fabric swings with momentum, and water pours without dissolving into soup-flavored fog. The price is the true shock here, because API generations start around 19 cents per video, and consumer plans sit near $10 a month. If your content depends on believable motion while your budget depends on staying tiny, this is the sleeper pick of the year. The company behind it is no fluke either, since investors just carried it through a $619 million public offering in January. The limits are a 1080p ceiling and a thinner ecosystem with fewer editing tools wrapped around the model than the big American platforms provide. It keeps winning the physics exam while charging lunch money. So here is the entire video compressed into one breath. For cinematic scenes with sound already built in, take VO. For frame level control and consistent characters, take Runway. For speed, volume, and multi-shot stories on a budget, take Kling. For a talking presenter in 175 languages, take HeyGen. For free and thoughtful experiments, take Luma. For believable physics at thrift store prices, take Hailuo. For Sora, please observe a respectful moment of silence. The prices and version numbers in this video will drift since this field reinvents itself roughly every quarter, so treat the use cases as the durable part. Above all, resist marrying any single tool because these rankings flipped twice while I researched this script, and next quarter's winner might be a name neither of us has heard yet. If this saved you an afternoon of tab hopping and free trial regret, consider subscribing because I untangle one confusing corner of AI every single week. I would love to have you here for the next crown flip.